Hello friends, once again I'm with you. I'm really overjoyed to meet you. As you already know that my channel is for the beginner, a beginner who just put a new step in the world of accounts. I'm sure that my last topic was clear to you now. Now, give me permission to proceed. Today the topic of my lecture is accounting, introductory part and its process. But before moving on the next topic, I would like to share one thing with you. If you set some targets in your life and you put your heart and soul into it, then you will definitely achieve. My blessings are with you. So now I'm gonna start with the topic. Today's topic is the process. It includes 6 steps. As you are watching the board, the first and foremost step is identify, the second is record, third is classify, the fourth one is summary, fifth is interpreting, and the sixth is communicating. So, one by one, if you want to study about the last step, that is communication, you must know the previous 5 steps. It means the whole process goes in the sequence. The first and foremost step is identify. What does it mean? Identify. There are so many transactions in the business. बहुत सारी ट्रांजेक्शन्स होती हैं. अगर मॉनिटरी नॉन मॉनिटरी की बात करें, जैसे कि आप बोर्ड पे देख रहे हैं, द मॉनिटरी एंड नॉन मॉनिटरी वर्ड्स आर रिटन. Monetary stands for all those transactions whose value can be determined in the terms of money. Say, if I purchase some kind of the machinery that is 5 lakh rupees, its value I can measure in the terms of money that is 5 lakh. So I can record its value in the books of accounts, that is the balance sheet. Machinery purchase rupees 5 lakh. So it can be recorded. But there are so many transactions जो non-monetary nature की होती हैं that also affects the business. But their value cannot be recorded in the terms of the money, so they are ignored. For example, if I can say the efficiency of management. The management efficiency, I cannot count that in the monetary terms. So I will ignore it definitely for the accounting point of view. Okay, the next is record. When the screening is done, some are monetary, some are non-monetary. After the screening, the monetary transactions are recorded somewhere, and the primary book of account is known as a journal, in which the transactions are recorded first of all. Okay, but if you are watching the board, but if the transactions or the business is on the large scale, so the journal is not enough. At that time, subsidiary books are to be prepared, and it includes like sales book, purchase book. Okay, purchase book का क्या मतलब है? There are so many transactions of purchases throughout the year, so we will record it in the separate book that is called a purchase book, and so in case of the sales book. Okay, now the next step comes, that is classify. Classification का मतलब होता है grouping of transactions. Means the similar nature transactions are placed at one place, and the place where such transactions are recorded. For example, if I am talking about cash transactions, all the cash transactions are recorded at one place in the cash account. But sometimes the cash book is also opened. So a ledger is a book in which the different accounts are opened. बहुत सारी तरह के accounts बनते हैं, like cash account, purchase account, sales account. Okay, so ledger is a book in which the different accounts are opened, or we will do classify the transactions. ठीक है? Next step is summary. Summary means presenting the classified data in such a way so that the management can find out any kind of conclusion. Means that in the summary form, the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet is prepared. Why they are prepared? Once again, here a question arises, why they are prepared? So that, please listen to me carefully. If we are preparing trading account, now you will ask from me, ma'am, why trading? Trading is a separate account. Trading is a separate account in which all the manufacturing expenses are included. Okay, it is prepared in order to find out gross profit and gross loss. Then comes profit and loss. It is prepared in order to find out net profit and net loss. Then comes balance sheet. Why balance sheet? It gives the information about the financial position of the business. अब आप लोग कहेंगे मैम फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन क्या होती है? फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन स्टैंड्स फॉर द टोटल एसेट्स एंड टोटल लायबिलिटीज. Every businessman wants to know how much he has and how much he can pay from the available balance. कि कितना उसके पास है और कितना वो पे कर सकता है. तो उसके लिए उसको एक बैलेंस शीट बनाना बहुत जरूरी है एसेट्स लायबिलिटीज का टोटल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. ऑलराइट, नाउ आई एम मूविंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप एंड दैट इज इंटरप्रेटिंग. इंटरप्रेटिंग मीन्स एनालिसिस. एनालिसिस जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि फाइंडिंग द कंक्लूजन्स. कंक्लूजन निकाले, क्या बनाया समरी में? ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस और बैलेंस शीट बनाई गई. इंटरप्रेट में क्या करेंगे? कंक्लूड करेंगे हाउ मच प्रॉफिट इज देयर, हाउ मच लॉस इज देयर. एंड देन कम्स द लास्ट स्टेप, दैट इज कम्युनिकेटिंग. कम्युनिकेटिंग मीन्स providing the information about the funds, financial position, assets, liabilities to all the parties interested. There are so many parties which has interest in the business, say management, creditors, banks, internal as well as external users. Like if I am talking about management, why the management is interested in the business? Of course, management is interested as management and shareholders. Both terms are different. Okay, I will make you understand, but in my next lecture, as it's enough for today, that is what is management. Management has an interest because management wants to know about the available finance so that he can make the further decision. Okay, now comes creditors and then banks. The business has taken the funds from the banks, so the banks have also interest when they get their money back which they have paid to the business. Okay, so communication is all about. Okay, I think I would now want to recall you all the 6 steps, starting from the first most, that is identify. Yes, the second is record, third is classify, fourth is summary, fifth is interpret, and sixth is communicate. I think now it's enough for today. If you have any doubt and comment, you can ask from me at any time by writing a comment in description section of my channel. So thanks for today. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.